Streetlights flicker in the rhythm of the storm. I'm standing where the pavement's cold, where we used to be so warm. I'm watching every window for a silhouette I know, but the glass is just a mirror for the things I can't let go. The thunder's getting louder, trying to drown out all the pain, but I still hear the ghost of us calling through the rain. I'm chasing down a whisper in the wind. Where does the love go when it finally gives in? I'm reaching for a hand that isn't there, just grasping at the moisture in the air. And I hear voices in the rain, crying out your name, like a melody of sorrow and a harmony of shame. Every drop that hits the ground sounds like your goodbye. A million tiny heartbreaks falling from the sky. I'm lost inside the static. I'm going half insane, just listening to the voices in the rain. I walk past the cafe where we hid from July heat. Now the chairs are stacked and empty on this lonely, drowned out street. I thought I heard you laughing, just a soft and silver sound, but it was just the water rushing down into the ground. You told me we were forever, but forever's washed away into the muddy rivers of another grayscale day. It's a symphony of could-have beens and wishes left to rust, a choir of the promises that crumble into dust. The clouds don't have a silver lining, they only have the blue, and the only thing they're singing is the truth about me and you. Yeah, I hear voices in the rain, crying out your name, like a melody of sorrow and a harmony of shame. Every drop that hits the ground sounds like your goodbye. A million tiny heartbreaks falling from the sky. I'm lost inside the static. I'm going half insane, just listening to the voices in the rain. Can you hear